Czech language as such has a difference from Russian that all the vowels are very clean. A, E, I, O, U, and we have a little short I, but nowhere near Russian I. And as Stuart pointed quite a few times, easy thing about Czech, perhaps the only one, is the stress in the word is always on a first syllable. So, smetana, dvořák, Janáček, you can't go wrong. And the most difficult sound we have in Czech, I'm going to demonstrate, is ž. Usually, you know, at a basic level, I give a three-step rule, like every good Californian self-help guru. So, first step we do, we feel how the tongue is vibrating. We will say r, j, and e, and we'll do a long rolling with the tongue vibrating, like this. R-ji. Please have a go with me. R-ji. What that does, it sets the tongue loose and yet controlled. Yes? So this is our three part of that sound. Second step is to make the rolling shorter, engage the abdominal muscles, and we'll go like this. R-ji. Please. R-ji. Excellent, fantastic results. Now, the last step, and by then you will master Czech in all its complexity, is to imagine, well, perhaps not a good image, but I always see kind of either a whip or a quick movement. And what happens is the car crash of R and J together, and they become one. So it goes like this. 3, 3, 4. Excellent. So that is the basis of that sound. Of course, when Laura is going to sing her beautiful lines about how she falls in love and wants to fly away, we cannot afford to have, so obviously, especially in Rusalka, things like this. So we then singers, and this is very obviously very superficial level, they have to be able to be so at ease with that sound and with the clusters around it. And I always have this visual image which might give you a nice idea, is that there's a beautiful flow of either Volga River or any other lake, and you have occasionally a fin of a fish which goes and disturbs that surface, and this is how the j should ideally sound in a beautifully sung line. So I have deepest admiration for all singers I work with, whether it's in Czech or in Russian, because to learn a role like this in that language and absorb it, make it your own, is no mean task.